Imagine a digital vault holding millions of books, ready to loan anyone for free. The Internet Archive's Open Library is the world's largest open-access collection, with 44 million digitized texts. Let's explore this treasure trove. Founded in 1996 by Brewster Kahle, the archive began scanning books in 2005. Today, it partners with 1,000 libraries to digitize 40 million print volumes, classics, rare editions, even cookbooks. Every scan is hand-checked for quality, then uploaded for instant borrowing. Each book is scanned at 400 dpi, preserving even the finest details. A reader clicks borrow, and the book opens one copy at a time, just like a physical library. When the loan ends, it returns to the shelf. 1.3 million ebooks circulate yearly, all free. Users can borrow for 1 hour or 14 days, perfect for research or leisure. The archive operates multiple data centers, distributed for redundancy, with much of its infrastructure in California. It powers its operations with a mix of renewable energy sources, including solar panels on its headquarters roof. About 500 million new web pages are added daily, contributing to steady growth in the collection. The Wayback Machine alone has archived over 1 trillion web pages since 1996. In 2023, publishers sued over lending in copyright books. The court ruled controlled digital lending is not fair use for commercial titles. The case is on appeal. The archive continues lending public domain and partner-approved works. It also hosts 10 million out-of-print titles, keeping forgotten voices alive. Picture this, a glowing screen, centuries of knowledge at your fingertips. That's today's fact. Smash that like button, subscribe for more epic discoveries, and tell us in the comments, what lost book would you borrow?